This method uses equal chain and subsequent surface crochet. Start off round 6 with a single crochet of 3 stitches. Then chain 5. Skip 5 stitches and then single crochet 2 stitches to complete the round 6. You should get a hole in the cylinder. Start round 7 with a single crochet of 3 stitches. Then single crochet 5 stitches into the chain. Then end off round 7 with a single crochet of 2 stitches. We will work into this hole separately later on. Continues round 8 to 9 with a single crochet of 10 stitches all around to extend the cylinder. You would have completed the cylinder with a hole in the middle. Using new yarn, surface slip knot at the side of the hole. Surface single crochet over 5 stitches over the top of the hole. Then rotate the piece and continue to surface crochet 5 stitches over the bottom of the hole. You will have completed the first round using the new yarn with the new round extending sideways. Continue round 2 with a single crochet of 10 stitches all around. Remember to skip the initial slip knot from the previous round. Similarly for round 2, single crochet over 5 stitches at the top of the hole and then another 5 stitches at the bottom of the hole. You can see the new yarn is extending upwards at an angle to the original piece. Repeat for round 3 a single crochet of 10 stitches all around. Final bend in the piece using equal chain and surface crochet method. I use this method to surface crochet the limbs on for these 2 ice cream babies, including the arms and the legs as well.